Have you seen this plant called Puruvillum? Its botanical name is Clerodendrum unfortunatum. In many traditional Kerala home remedies, the leaves are used for certain types of migraine and heavy headache. This plant grows with a very deep root going straight down into the soil. It can spread from both roots and seeds very easily. Traditionally, Puruvillum is also used for body pain, swelling, skin issues, and wound care. A powerful medicinal plant growing silently around us.